I am Katia with Lunar Sun Creations, and I hope you're all doing well. For anyone new to my channel, I do paper crafting, a lot of cards and mini albums and other crafty things, so welcome. Today I have a new album to share with you. Well, I don't know if you call it an album, it's an explosion box. I've had a lot of requests for an explosion box tutorial, so I've finally done it. And it uses the Stamperia Romantic Collection, the Sea Dream. I was getting tired of looking at all my Christmas papers, so I needed to use a different kind of paper. So the box measures 6 by 6 by 7, and it is the perfect size so you can still fit another present inside the box. So the box itself is a present, and then you can put another present inside, so it's a present inside a present. It's so awesome. I really love the way it turned out, and there will be a 3-part tutorial on my YouTube channel, so click that bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new part comes up. And I hope you enjoy it. Here it is. Okay folks, so here it is. Here is my Sea Dream explosion box. I am so happy with the way it turned out. I absolutely love it. On the front I've got some of the pattern paper, and then I fussy cut this turtle and put him on some chipboard, and then I've got a couple of the chipboard stickers there and some metal corners, and then I popped up one of the cut apart sayings and backed it on some extra cardstock and popped it up on some foam tape, and then I've got one of the cut aparts also on foam tape, and then that's one of the sides, it's the same as that side, and then the back I've just got one of the chipboard stickers. Okay, and then when you open it up, oh, I'll just show you the inside of the lid real quick. Just some pretty patterned paper on there. So lots of space in here so you can put a present inside the present, inside the box, which is also a present. Okay, so I will start down here. Alright, so here I've got a another one of the cut apart pieces that I backed on chipboard, and it's magnetized with a ribbon there. So this opens up, and then this goes to the side and to the side again, and it looks like a waterfall, but it's not. This one goes to the side like that, this one goes out to that side, and then to that side, so lots of room for both photos and journaling. And then over on this side, this flips out and flips out again. Lift this up, and there is a pocket, and I just used a whole bunch of my scraps. I don't like wasting anything, so I just used a bunch of my scraps to create a little kind of patchwork tag to go in there. Alright, that closes up like that. And then I'll do the top part here. So this opens up like that, and then this rotates out of the way so that this can come down, and then bring that back around so that you can open this like that, and then it opens like that and like that. So it's a really big accordion fold. So I didn't put pattern paper on all of the pieces because I wanted there to be room for photos, and I didn't want it to get too bulky. So then swing that back out of the way, and then it magnetizes back into place, and then that closes. And then on this side here, this opens up, and then they've got a couple chipboard pieces here. This opens to the side, and then we've got a little waterfall here. Again, I didn't put paper on all of it because I wanted there to be spots for photos. And then it's also a pocket. So again, I've done some collaging kind of thing with the scrap pieces of paper. And that goes back in there. And then this closes, and that closes. And then on the last side, this is a magnetized swing tab, and it opens like that. This opens up, and then this opens down, and this opens up like that. And then there's a little a little pop-up that opens up so you can put some photos in there, and I've left this open so you can put a photo down there as well. And then this all swings back into place. And there it is. I think it turned out amazing. I love it. And there will be a 3-part tutorial for this project. And it will be, the first part will be out in the next couple days. I'm just editing it now, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm so happy. So hopefully all the people who requested an explosion box, here you are, my dears. Here's your explosion box. A gift within a gift. So I love this. It can be completely customizable with, you know, using Christmas paper, and it can be a Christmas gift with another gift inside. So I think it's quite perfect. So I hope you love it, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Be well, and sending you huge hugs. Bye.